Hey guys, Doug Cook, the Vet's Vet with Hancock Mortgage Partners here in Utah. Today I'm with Kelly Rice. How are you doing, Kelly?
I'm good, Doug. How you doing?
Good, thank you. Okay,
Good.
Kelly's out of Illinois and she works for Hancock as well. Today we're going to talk about mortgage insurance. Now there are certain programs that require mortgage insurance and there's programs that don't. And so today we're going to talk about the different programs. So Kelly, do you want to start and talk about a few of the programs that do require mortgage insurance?
Absolutely. Absolutely. Not a problem at all. Okay, so the two major loan programs that people consider other than VA or your USDA is FHA and conventional. FHA and conventional both have mortgage insurance options, okay? Conventional will allow you to not carry that mortgage insurance, but you have to make sure you have a 20% investment on that, okay? So there's going to be a huge down payment required in order to remove that mortgage insurance. FHA will never allow you to remove it. So there's different charges and there's different factors for level of down payment and which loan program you choose. So conventional's got a little bit more expensive mortgage insurance typically than FHA, unless you put down a significant down payment. So, there's a lot of things to vary when you're trying to find out which loan program is right for you. And it stems around what payment you're comfortable paying each month, and it stems around which is the biggest benefit. So, if you're going in with 10% or 15% down payment, FHA is probably not your best choice, okay? But if you're coming up with just a little bit of cash, making your minimum down payment on an FHA, just so that you can slide, if you're a first-time home buyer, you can slide effectively into a new home, then FHA is probably a better choice for you. It's going to take you a little while to get to that 20% investment, and if you were to put that down in a conventional loan, that the time frame would be, quite a bit versus with FHA. You'll probably end up refinancing out of it anyway. So I know that's quite different for VA loans and USDA, right?
Right. So on USDA loans, there is no mortgage insurance requirement, but you do pay a annual fee every payment. So that kind of covers, it's almost just like mortgage insurance, but it's not. And then on VA, there's never mortgage insurance requirement. And so before we close out the video, let's just talk about what mortgage insurance is for. What is mortgage insurance, Kelly?
Mortgage insurance does not benefit a client or a borrower at all. Mortgage insurance is designed to protect the lender in case of a default, okay? It's basically an insurance policy for them that doesn't protect you, okay?
Right.
And so there's good reason to remove it, right? People want to get to that point where they can remove it. And I think that, once we educate people on which loan program to choose and which one's best for them, I think that mortgage insurance will make a little bit more sense. But, it's not something that protects anybody but the lender. And it's because the lender has to, and you have to think about it this way. With too many defaults, a lender's not going to be able to recoup those funds that they've invested in the property itself. So they're not going to be able to sell that house without draining all of the funds that they need to replenish future loans, okay? Right. So that's why mortgage insurance is mandatory, especially when you get into some of the deals where the credit score is, a little bit lower, there's more risk involved. That's why FHA is making it mandatory that the mortgage insurance never be removed. They have to have some type of insurance that the borrower is not just going to go in and default on the payment, okay? And so it is designed to keep the money flowing.
Right. Okay, well, I think that's a good coverage of mortgage insurance for different programs and what it actually is. So you guys, please stay tuned for future videos. We're going to try to do these as much as we can. Again, it's Kelly Rice, Home Loans by Kelly, and Doug Cook, the Vet's Vet, and we will talk to you soon.
All right, bye guys.